Wilson, Fletcher, bastard ag at Rittenberg, dy ddim yn cam sefyll, Rittenberg! Wedi rhoi Bangor ar y blaen, 19 munud ar y cloc, 5 gol o'r tymor i dyn Rittenberg. Mi sgoriodd yn y gêm dwytha neu by'n Aberystwyth, ond symudiad gwych gan y dinasyddion. A Taylor Fletcher yn ei chanol i. George Harry, breisiad yn dod i mewn. Pearson yn hannar clirio at gat Rittenberg, o'na drosedd gan George Horan, Luke Wall. Dal ar bêl yn y cwrt Cosby, a mae'na gic rydd. Y dyfarnwr y chwarae Real Fantais. Mae'n chwarae pin hir fyd, a mae'n gic rydd i Fangor. A fedrith Fangor dyblu Fantais yma. Hewitt. A maen nhw wedi dyblu i Mantais. Cic rydd o Didog gan Hewitt. Ac o fewn 2 funud a hannar o sgorio'r gynta, mae'r dinasyddion di sgorio'r ail yma. Mlaen, Letsaws gan Wilson. Mae hwnna'n darcanfod Luke Hall, mae hwnna'n fas wych i Luke Hall. Mae'n heibio i Pearson, mae'n heibio i Harrison. Mae'n gicio'r Smotin. A fyna Gerdyn, coch i George Horan. A ti di gema, byn Bangor ddim yn mynd o blaid George Horan. Mi welodd o Gerdyn coch yn y gêm ar Nantport i wa mis Medi am 2 Gerdyn Melyn. Ond heno, ar ôl 7 munud ar 20, mae'n gol Cerdyn coch am dacl wyll ar Luke Wall. Wilson, mae hwnna yn gicio'r Smotin, drychu'n ebus gan Lawrence Wilson. Hewitt. Allan i Luke Wall. Fo nillodd y gicio'r Smotin. Letsaws ag at Taylor Fletcher, thyrru ar draws ag at Damien Allen. Allen! Ddylsai wedi bod yn dair. Cyfle uraidd i Damien Allen. Pearson yn camu mewn i hannar Bangor. Wolf. Letsaws ma Simpson. Hawdd i Connolly. Pearson ymlaen i Simpson. Simpson yn gry. Simpson ar ergyd. Yn taro ar rwyd ochr. Ddim yn bell. Alla gosa yma. Ceicona di dod heno. Danby ymlaen. Tuag at Simpson. Maelin yn ei llebeniad. Wolf dan bwysa. Mae heibio i Wilson. Wilson di cael un Cerdyn Melyn. A siawn sgyn i fydd o'n cael ail Cerdyn Melyn am y dacl yna. Yn dimau o ail Cerdyn Melyn i Lawrence Wilson sy'n troi'n Gerdyn coch. Yma Bangor wan i lawr i 10-1.
A very tough game. It's obviously, they had an excellent home record before tonight, and obviously we're unbeaten. So to be the first team to win here is good, but more than that, I think we're happy to win another game. That's 3 straight wins for us now. We said we're on maybe an upturn in form, and a really valuable clean sheet as well.
As tough a night as I've had for a while, as in not necessarily the performance, but just the circumstances. To go 2-0 down and then the penalty and a red card. You think it can't get any worse, and then Ryan Wignall pulls up with a hamstring strain, and everything that could go against us went against us. You have these nights. You look at it and then you move on very quickly. To another game on Monday. And then a game next Sunday, so we got a chance to put things right very quickly, but it's a tough night.
But it's a weird game, football. Sometimes when you play against 10 men, it can be even more difficult, made more difficult by the opposition than when you play against 11. It just seems to be that way sometimes. But anyway, we managed the game well. We kept possession when we needed to keep possession. We still defended the box like we knew we'd had to all game coming here because of the way which they play. They get the ball in there, on a regular basis, and I just think it's a very good win, an excellent clean sheet, and it keeps us right in the mix at the top.